capture the Philippines' City of Love. With Miss Iloilo Dinagyang Tourism 2019. Sharon Idone, Miss Millennial Iloilo 2019.
Miss Millennial Philippines Iloilo 2019. If nahihilo kayo sa ganda ko, siguradong mas mahihilo kayo sa ganda ng Iloilo. Actually, speechless. We had so much fun actually, and I can't believe na actually he came actually to my house and pay a visit for me since my dad just died. So he came to my house. So
oo nga. Kinaikwento nga ni Alan Kay na napaka-professional mo nga kahit na your dad just passed away, nabigyan mo ng oras yung pamamasyal ng Itbulaga sa Iloilo.
Show must go on.
Senior high school student.
Senior high school lang.
Lang sa tangkad niyang yan.
May itatangkad ka pa, girl.
Oo nga. At hindi lang yan dahil Miss P, dancer din siya na nagko-compete sa ibang bansa.
Wow. Anong klaseng dance? Para bang ballroom dance kanina?
Ay, hindi po. Hip-hop po.
Hip-hop
Hip-hop.
dancer. Wow. So, Iloilo is known as the City of Love. Bakit?
Iloilo is known to be as the city of love, just very, of course, because of the people. We are very loving people and we are very accommodating.
At siya ang galing yung mag-English. Kaya
Totoo,
si
sa
Alan
Iloilo.
Kay magaling din mag-English.
Di ba mag-English si Ma'am
Yes, it's
Alan?
true. Well, yes, it's true.
Yes, it's true.
And the word Iloilo pala is derived from the word
Irong-irong.
Ano ibig sabihin?
No, siguro perfect timing kasi si Kuya Ike pumunta ng Iloilo.
Siya nagsabi na na. Ma'am Alan, wala kaming sinasabi. Ibig sabihin ay nose-like ang irong-irong.
If you want a place where the past is always present, Dabarkads, you must put a checklist on your bucket list kasi Iloilo is gonna blow you away. Iloilo is known to be as the city of love. But if you want good food, loving people, great attractions, it's gotta be Iloilo.
Uy! Miss Millennial Sharon ng Iloilo, mga kaibigan.
Hi po.
Itutour mo ako
Yes, of course.
Ano bang makikita natin dyan?
So, of course, first we're gonna go to Molo Mansion, Plaza Molo, or the Molo Church. We can also try the Lapas Pachoy.
Oh,
We can also try making them, of course.
pwede. Labas ka, Choy. Pansit nga may sabaw. Halika!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go, guys! Mga Dabarkads, Hablon weaving is one of the most ancient crafts here in Iloilo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Avancenia Camiña Balay nga Bato. This house was built on the 1865. This was marked as an important cultural property by the National Museum. When you're in Iloilo, you can never forget the specialty of Lapas Pachoy.
Kainin ko yan.
So, Dabarkads, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sinamay House, which was built in 1860. So, in 19th century, Iloilo was known to be as the textile center of the Philippines. So, today, we're here in Tatoy's Manukan and Seafood Restaurant. Kaunta?
Kaunta. Sa sobrang sarap, mapapakanta ka. Iloilo ang banwa ko, ginahingad lang.
One of the most famous attractions here in Iloilo, Garin Farm, where you can see and experience the stairway to heaven. So mga Dabarkads, inakyat ko ngayon yung 480 steps, nakakapagod. Siguradong mas may in love ka pa kapag na-experience mo na ang City of Love. I am Sharon Villan Idone, your Miss Millennial Iloilo 2019. Sobrang pagod.
Steps.
Ginawa nila yan sa
Garin
Garin
Farm.
Farm Pilgrimage Resort. Magkano ba?
Oo, free ba yan?
480 steps. Actually, hindi po. Meron po 150 peso entrance po. And it's open from Monday to Sunday po. And you can visit anytime.
Oh, hindi na Miss
Hindi na
P,
talaga.
150 lang ang entrance
Maganda doon
fee.
talaga.
To take all your IG-worthy photos.
Talaga.
Tapos, maganda rin yung napuntahan ninyong La Paz Batch.
Oo nga.
Naingit ako kay Alan Kay doon. Ang sarap ba, AK?
Sobrang
Meron
sarap.
tayo dito, Miss P. Di na lang tayo ni Sharon.
Iinit na lang yan, oh.
Oo.
Actually, init na sa. So, ang gawin natin ngayon, putangan natin na.
Lalagyan ng
This
Garnish
is
na ba
called
natin to?
chicharon.
chicharon.
Chicharon? Ang tawag dyan?
Oh my gosh.
And saka, ito po yung garlic. Yung
Ang
garlic po.
sarap ng madaming chicharon.
Yung garlic.
And then,
And then we have some greens.
spring onion.
Ang sarap, iinit na lang.
Yan yung batchoy.
Yan yung isa sa mga top pasalubong sa dala mo. Ano pa?
Ano pa yung iba?
Oh, marami po. Tingnan nyo. Dito po, meron po ng dilatas. Asan po? Dito po, meron po ng kinihad. Meron po dito ng spinach chips.
Ano yung kinihad?
Yung kinihad po, dito is perfect combination for coffee. Perfect combination for coffee po because it's not too salty and it's not too sweet.
Kinihan.
So there's salty and sweet. Okay,
Yes.
what
And
else?
here we have some otap. This is
Otap.
actually one of my favorites because it's actually very fun when you eat it.
Kasi nagkakalat ka.
Nagkakalat-kalat. Yun, nagkakalat-kalat talaga.
And bizcocho, of course.
Oo po. Yung bizcocho and then we have here this is from Yagaw, Iloilo po. This is batuan jam.
What is
Batuan jam. Batuan jam.
Batuan jam, di ba yung nilalagay sa mga sabaw?
Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Yung batuan parang
Pampaasin.
pampaasin
Agent.
yun. Pampaasin, pero ginawa nila ng jam.
Okay.
ginawang
Oo,
jam?
ginagawa
Para
nila
pwede
ng jam.
palaman
Masarap.
din.
So parang sweet and sour.
Sour, yes.
And
Ito.
You brought a lot of these
Yes.
cloths with you.
Yeah. If you're wondering why I brought a lot of clothes, because back in the 90s, Iloilo was known to be as the textile capital of the Philippines. So this is the reason. As you can see here, I've brought a lot of hablon with me. So hablon is actually a hand-woven cloth made from indigenous materials. So hablon came from the word habol, which means to weave.
And they're used for everything. Gowns.
Yes, gowns and everything. So,
Shawls.
yes. And back in the 90s, hablon was used to be given to royalty. So, if you want to feel like a queen, why not wear hablon?
At may regalo ka mula sa kasama naming naghahatid ng Miss Millennial Philippines. Meron kang gift pack from Potency, the beauty of immunity.
Thank you.
Meron ka rin video key player from Mega Sound Smart Pro Video Key. Experience music and more with more than 18,000 built-in songs, free 2-year song updates, and with mobile karaoke app controller.
At ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay inihatid din ng efficacy oil araw-arawin mo.
Ng Nescafe Creamy White, mas masarap ang buhay pag walang pait.
At ng Philippine Airlines. Fly with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Maraming salamat din sa H&M Clothing.
Talagang may in love ka sa Iloilo kapag na-experience mo na ang City of Love. So, Dabarkads, what are you waiting for? Tara na sa Iloilo!
We're waiting for you. Maraming salamat po mula ng Iloilo, Sharon Idone.
Miss Millennial Philippines 2019 grand winner will receive 500,000 pesos. She will move into her house and lot from Lysandra. Angat ka dito. And drive home a brand new Suzuki Ciaz GLX. She will also wear the crown, which stands for the strong, independent young Filipina who has a heart for her hometown. It's a crown pit for the next Miss Millennial Philippines.